I don't need $1 million. I just want a wife, some kids, and a few less problems. Get them all into college. Maybe we could travel the world to see stars and comets. Think I wanna meet your mama. I don't have a 9 to 5, but I'ma find some commas. I don't need $1 million. I just want a wife, some kids, and a few less problems. I'm just trying to wake up, feel some peace in the morning. Drink a little coffee till the daylight pours in. Kiss you on the forehead, then I'm headed out the door. Cause I just wanna give you the world. I know it's everything you deserve. And I swear things would be the same if nobody knew my name. They won't put me in the game. I'm critically unacclaimed. Cause I don't need $1 million. I just want a wife, some kids, and a few less problems. Get them all into college. Maybe we could travel the world to see stars and comets. Think I wanna meet your mama. I don't have a 9 to 5, but I'ma find some commas. I don't need $1 million. I just want a wife, some kids, and a few less problems. I wanna know, why everyone's gotta see everything all the time. Like, things would be the same if nobody knew my name. They won't put me in the game. I'm critically